Morning, everybody. Where are we headed in Las Vegas? Part one today, along with the stats. And then we will do where are we headed part two next week. So let's get started here. We have 110 days of inventory. Not bad, not bad. We've gone down a little bit. Looks like we're selling more. We're selling 52 homes a day, which is wonderful. And I better get my microphone on. Let me put it on. Hang on. Okay. So where are we headed? Where are we headed? Where are we going? Okay. Sales are going up daily, so that's a good thing. We have a class today, so I'm in a little bit of a rush. Anyway, yeah. Only half as many as we did last year, but it has increased this month so far. So that's the good news. And the interesting thing is, I will tell you about the sales real quickly. Last year, Zillow, George Caprios, he has done 126 deals as of the 27th of January. And this year, he's done 4. What's going on with that? What is happening? What happened to George? I don't know. I'm worried, actually. And then we have Open Door with the number 1 spot now. They've done 45 sales so far this year. And last year that they did, let's see, last year I think they were very much lower, very down, and I don't have that number, but Open Door has done 45. Yeah, but they were much lower last year. Of course, they weren't number 1. Now they're number 1. So Open Door is doing many more deals. And George, where are you? Well, what it means, everybody, if he did 126 last year in the first 27 days, and now, poof, he's done 4, that's more deals for you. Think about it. I know the market's slower, but it doesn't matter. There's a trend here. You have to see that. And $1 million homes were down. So far this year, we're only doing half as many as we did last year. So we'll see how that plays out between now and the end of the month. We've sold only 57. So in order to beat last year, we would have, to be what we did last year, we would have had to do, let's see, 27 times 4. 27 times 4. So last year we would have had to have done 108 so far. So the $1 million home sales are down. Now we still have that, the availables are still hovering in the 700s. So they're still there, but we'll see what happens, because the percentage of the market is 11% with that 784, because we have 7,049 available properties for sale, of which 345 are high rises. Now that number's increased. We have 731 condos available, 5,428 single family homes, and that is going down. And townhomes, 545. We closed 44 yesterday, and we listed 120. So it's interesting of how many we're listing. That number is increasing. So we shall see. There's a lot of fluctuation going on here as I see it. And look at this. The investors are only buying 17 a day. Now, granted, that's still 30% of the market, but it's still, they're not buying as many as they were.